Alright guys, I'm gonna show you this awesome flashlight. First of all, look at the construction of it. Freaking solid metal. It holds 2 batteries. 1 and 2. Just like that. Here it has 2 of these things that helps to hold the batteries. And this thing is incredibly bright. We're gonna go outside in a minute and I'll show you. It's already dark. And the batteries are charged up. And it comes with this nice handy lanyard. Good quality. Не поднимай.
Не видно было руки, как ты одеваешь.
All right, follow me. На меня держи. As you can see, there's slide right here. Стой там. Look at this. Okay, and this is how bright it is with the light on. Now let's come over here. Let's look at this building across the street. Look. This is crazy bright, huh?
Пробуй туда дальше, туда на эти.
Куда?
На деревья, на те. Не, дальше. Вон
Я
те.
You guys see this? This is crazy bright. And look how far it goes. This is insane. This flashlight is crazy. Alright, so if you want to get it, you know what to do.